that will touch like this. Mass. Yes guys, this experiment is gonna be awesome because today we are gonna make the Leyden jar capacitor, which is enough to blow your mind. And believe this, making this is so easy that even a 3-year-old kid can also make it easy. So let's get started. The Leyden jar capacitor. Capacitor is such things that stores electric charge. So the idea is pretty simple. You just have to take a bottle. Any kind of bottle will work. Just remember it has to be either of plastic or of glass. I have taken a plastic bottle here. And then you just have to fill it till here with water. Just normal water what you use at your home. And then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Just salt and water. I have already done this, so it is ready here. So the next step is you just have to hammer an iron or any metal piece just in the middle, just like this. So now you have to connect it with the wire, so it increases the contact surface with the salt water, and you have to fix it just like this. Really easy, right? So the last and final step, you just have to cover the all 4 sides with a aluminium foil. You can call this a silver foil also, just like this. Right guys, our Leyden jar capacitor is ready. Isn't this really easy? This one is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. And now we are going to charge this capacitor. For charging, we are not directly putting it in the socket. Instead, we are charging with the help of static electricity. For that, we need a PVC pipe, that means a plastic pipe, and a piece of paper. You can use a cotton cloth, woolen cloth or anything instead of this, but I have this newspaper. So for charging, you just have to rub the paper in the pipe like this. So after rubbing some time, this pipe will be statically charged. To identify this, we are just gonna put it near to our hand. And you can feel the attraction. And look how this is attracting my hair. Now we can confirm that this PVC pipe has been charged. We'll do it one more time. So charging the capacitor is also very easy. You just have to place your one hand here and the other you should pass it close to the iron nail, just like this. No need to worry even if this pipe does not touch the iron nail. It should just be close to it. We'll do it one more time. And when you pass the pipe through the iron nail, you'll hear a small tuck tuck or cut cut sound, which will prove that yes, our capacitor is being charged. If you don't feel any kind of sound, then it means you have made an error somewhere. If you put your ear close, then you can hear it. This is enough. Our Leyden jar capacitor has been charged. If you want to use this normally, then this is okay. But if you want to make it more powerful, then you have to connect it to the ground. It means you have to earth it. For this I have a wire which I am going to connect it to the ground. The base of this table is made up of iron, so I'll connect it there. I'll connect this with the positive terminal here. I'll put a tape so that it doesn't come out. Alright guys, the more powerful Leyden jar capacitor is ready. I'll charge this one more time and I'll show you what this is really capable of. So when we connect this to the ground, the negative charge from here will go to the ground and this one becomes the positively charged. The inside is negative charged and this is positively charged. This is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. You don't have to understand this much of science. When you'll do it, you'll understand this easily. Now I'm going to test this capacitor. For testing, I've made a simple cut here so that I can touch the positive and the negative terminal. So testing is very simple. You just have to connect this and now you'll hear a spark. See here. You seen this? There was a spark generated here. You may have seen it or may not have seen it, but there was a spark. So we are going to do this experiment at night again. So we are going to turn off the light and you can see how powerful this capacitor is really. So when we connect to ground, we don't have to touch this aluminum foil. You can simply charge by passing close to it. Right guys, I have charged this around 20 times. Now it's time for this to be discharged. I hope this will certainly produce a spark. You'll see it. Now let's discharge it. Right on 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, guys, you seen it? How much dangerous this spark was? The spark was about 20 kilovolt, which is really amazing. Yeah, this is really amazing. So imagine what will happen if someone gets this kind of shock. So this is our experiment, the Leyden jar capacitor. But how can we prank our friends with this? That trick is also very much simple. But before that, I'll tell you some of the dangerous things about this. This simple looking capacitor, if charged heavily, can produce a spark around 30 kilovolt, which is enough to damage the human nervous system. So be careful while charging. If you overcharge it, it's gonna destroy you. If you don't charge it too much, then it is safe. Then let's do the trick. First, let's charge it again. Right guys, when it is charged like this, we have to collect one person and tell, boss, please place your one hand on the aluminum foil and touch this iron or metal piece with your other hand. I won't touch this because I'm very much afraid of electricity. So guys, this is a trick. One person will come and touch this and that person will get a bang, a massive electric shock. In this way, your revenge will be fulfilled. Okay, I won't touch this because I'm really afraid of electricity. So when that person will come, place hand and that will touch like this.